Hello, this is a quick video about the scientific method. So the scientific method, or also known as the scientific process, is a process and logical way of finding an answer to a question. So we find a problem and we phrase it in the form of a question, and we start investigating. So the next step after a question is to research. So we figure out our own background knowledge, what do we already know, and we look at what other people have found before us, and we use all of this information to form a hypothesis, which is our prediction as to what's going to happen in our experiment, and it's an educated guess, right? Because we've done our research, so we're using some background knowledge. Your hypothesis is also phrased in an if, then, because statement. So you say, if this happens, then I think this will happen because of my background knowledge. After we hypothesize, we're going to have our experiment. So the experiment or investigation is how we're observing and gathering data. And we're testing something out through our independent and dependent variables. After our experiment, we have our evidence, or data, result. So we've collected observations, both qualitative and quantitative data. So qualitative, non-numerical, quantitative, numerical data. And we create inferences based on these observations to then come to our conclusion, which is the inference based on our observations, and we prove or disprove our hypothesis. And this kind of goes around and around in a circle. So maybe you've proven your hypothesis and you have a new problem or question, or you did not prove your hypothesis and you redesign a new experiment. And that is the scientific method.